this or this. I'm going to show you how the domains work and how do you activate them. Here is the first. This is all for the beginners and starters in the game. So if you wanna still watch, you can still watch. So the first domain we have is Gojo or Honored One or Six Eyes. You have to have his ultimate. Yeah, Gojo actually has two ultimates. See this. The first ultimate is 0.2 domain. Most people know this, but you have to do this. First, activate the and then rapidly spam special. To activate this, you must spam the special button on computer, spam R. But on mobile, just click the star button and you will get this cool animation. When you kill, when you have two heads, you can get this awesome animation. Hold on. Like this. Very strange. You'll get this cool animation when you kill it, and you have two heads like that. And the second domain is, and you activate the ult with no 0.2. It's actually infinite void, it's pretty easy to spot. This is actually for all the beginners, so yeah. Do that, or this. When you do that, so here's how the domain works. So you obviously have the domain. You can do like that. When you activate the domain, it's going to be like that. Everybody in the domain cannot move. Especially if you are a player, you cannot move in the domain. So if you are they can do anything to you. The second domain is yes, we have Divergent Beauty. So basically, first up, I want this. Here's a combo. Well, start here is a combo. I thought I saw the combo in Gojo. The black plus chain is not always guaranteed. They know how to do it. Like they're gonna after this we're gonna turn around. So yeah, it's a cool combo. I'm gonna show the greatest combo. Hold up. Hold on, guys. King. This guy only has one domain. Actually, before that, I'm gonna toggle the overpowered moveset so you can see what that is later. This is how the domain works. When you have a lot of people trapped in there, the best is this domain can deal damage. Here's the combo for one. Ano? Ultimate. Next, we have R RG, Restless Gambler. Here is how it works. I know how it works also, but I think if you deal damage, it can. Yes. Oh! Here is how it works. Okay, so I don't know. I just gonna play damage. This is hot domain! Lucky volley. Yeah. Perfection. This is how it works. This is how it works. Let's take it up a notch. This is how it works. This is actually how it works. Okay, please. Go! That's how the main works, guys. I killed the immortal dummy. The next we have is... Hold on, guys. The next we have is... Yes, we have defense attorney. This is how it is.
福間み